Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, known for its enormous size and distinct aroma. Native to South and Southeast Asia, it has become a global sensation in plant-based cuisine. A single jackfruit can weigh up to 80 pounds and feed an entire family. Its scientific name is Artocarpus heterophyllus, and it belongs to the Moraceae family, like breadfruit and fig. The tree thrives in tropical climates and can live for over 100 years. Jackfruit's outer skin is green and spiky, while the interior holds dozens of golden yellow pods. Each pod surrounds a seed and offers a fibrous, fruity flavor. The flesh is sweet when ripe and starchy when unripe, making it incredibly versatile. So, ripe jackfruit is used in traditional desserts, juices, and snacks all across Asia. In India, it's turned into chips or just eaten fresh with a drizzle of honey. And in Indonesia, it's a staple in sweet dishes like Tentang Nangka. Unripe jackfruit, which folks call young jackfruit or nangka muda, is used in savory dishes. Its meat-like texture actually makes it a really popular ingredient in curries, stews, and stir-fries. It's especially a favorite in dishes like gudeg from Yogyakarta. These days, vegan chefs around the world are totally celebrating jackfruit as a meat substitute. Its fibrous strands, honestly, they mimic pulled pork or shredded chicken so well. You'll find jackfruit tacos, sandwiches, and barbecue popping up on menus from Los Angeles to London. Jackfruit is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It supports digestion, boosts your immunity, and might even help lower blood sugar. Plus, its seeds are a good source of protein, potassium, and iron. The seeds are edible when roasted or boiled, and they taste kind of similar to chestnuts. In some cultures, they're turned into flour or used in curries. It's a really tasty way to reduce food waste. Farmers love jackfruit for its high yield and drought resistance. A mature tree can produce like hundreds of fruits in a year. It's honestly a reliable food source in rural and tropical areas. Jackfruit trees are also ecologically beneficial. Their dense canopy provides shade and helps prevent soil erosion. In agroforestry systems, they grow alongside other crops to enhance biodiversity. In Bangladesh and parts of India, jackfruit is considered the national fruit. It symbolizes abundance and is a vital part of traditional farming. Many festivals celebrate the jackfruit season. Jackfruit has cultural significance in Hindu rituals and folklore. It's associated with fertility, prosperity, and divine blessings. In temple offerings, it's often presented alongside coconut and banana. Opening a jackfruit requires skill and patience due to its sticky latex sap. Locals rub oil on their hands and knives to avoid sticking. This traditional method has been passed down for generations. Canned and frozen jackfruit products are now widely available. This helps introduce the fruit to markets outside Asia. Jackfruit is featured in grocery stores and health food chains worldwide. In Sri Lanka, jackfruit is often eaten as a staple, replacing rice or bread. Dishes like Polo's curry use young jackfruit as a hearty, satisfying main course. It's commonly served with coconut sambal and rice. Thailand uses jackfruit in both sweet and savory preparations. Ripe pods are stuffed with sticky rice or added to coconut-based desserts. Jackfruit ice cream and smoothies are also popular. In the Philippines, jackfruit is called langka and is used in halo, a beloved icy dessert. It's also used in ginatang langka, cooked in coconut milk with chili. Its aroma and flavor enhance every dish. Jackfruit plays a role in sustainability efforts. As a high-yield crop requiring low input, it's ideal for climate-resilient agriculture. It helps address food security in tropical countries. Bioplastics and eco-packaging research has even explored jackfruit's waste materials. The rind and fibers could offer alternatives to plastic. Innovation meets tradition in new environmental uses. Street vendors across Asia sell jackfruit fresh or fried. It's often served in plastic bags, sliced and ready to eat. Its sweet scent draws hungry passers-by. Now, jackfruit wood is prized in carpentry for its durability and color. In India, it's used to make furniture, musical instruments, and even temple carvings. It's another way the tree benefits communities. In Vietnam, jackfruit is fermented into a type of wine or jam. The flavors intensify over time, creating a unique tropical delicacy. It's a testament to jackfruit's creative culinary uses. Despite its growing popularity, jackfruit can be an acquired taste. Some people find its aroma too strong or its texture unfamiliar, but with the right preparation, it wins over hearts and taste buds. Social media has helped jackfruit rise to fame. Viral videos of its size, slicing, and cooking have intrigued millions. Food bloggers and chefs love showcasing its transformation. Jackfruit is more than just a fruit. It's a cultural icon, a sustainability hero, and a culinary treasure. From forest to fork, it tells a story of innovation and tradition. Whether in a street snack or a gourmet dish, jackfruit continues to surprise and delight the world.